Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them like a pro. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to put your Ion speaker into pairing mode for the 2025 models. If you've got a new Ion speaker or you're troubleshooting connectivity issues, this quick guide will have you connected in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ion speaker is powered on. Grab the power button, usually located on the top or side, and hold it down until you see the lights flash or hear a startup sound. This ensures the speaker is awake and ready to play. Next, locate the Bluetooth button. On most 2025 Ion speakers, it's labeled with a Bluetooth icon and might be on the control panel. Press and hold this button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll know it's working when the LED light starts flashing blue or another color, indicating that the speaker is now in discovery mode. Once that's done, grab your smartphone, tablet, or any Bluetooth-enabled device. Go to your settings, find the Bluetooth menu, and scan for new devices. Your Ion speaker should appear in the list, something like Ion Speaker 2025. Tap on it to connect, and you'll get a confirmation sound or light from the speaker. A quick tip: if it's not showing up, double-check that your speaker is fully charged and that you're within 30 feet of it. Also, make sure no other devices are already paired. You might need to unpair them first from the speaker's settings menu. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy wireless audio with your Ion speaker. If you run into any hiccups, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.